Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa, and I hope you stick around and watch what I got from Gucci. So, today's lip gloss of the day is Saint Laurent. The number is so small, I swear I can't see it again, but it was a gift from T. Thank you, Pink Butterfly Girl. And the scent of the day is Cosmic Cloud by Louis Vuitton. I still cannot describe it, but it's amazing. And I love the shape and the design of the bottle. And today's bag of the day is rightfully so the Gucci Jackie bag. And I had not worn this bag in I would say a few months, because I was waiting for the longer leather strap to just loosen up a little bit more because I always found it a little stiff. But then I just decided, you know what, this is just a hand carry or a crook of the arm bag for me, and that's just what it is, because it didn't make sense just sitting. So I decided to just use it as a hand carry bag. And this little key pouch holder, super cute. It makes a great bag charm and a great place to store your keys outside of your bag so you don't have to dig for it. So there's that. And now, in the words of my friend, get to the good stuff. I got an invite to the Gucci Balenciaga Hack pre-launch, which was last week Sunday at Aloha, and I took a friend and we had a great time. My sales girl is so amazing. I just love her. She's one of those people that you like instantly, no questions asked. You automatically like her. So when you got there, they did like little goodie bags. They showed you just about everything. I think they didn't break out any clothing, shawls, or shoes because they were all spoken for. And that's kind of gross that somebody else touched your stuff before you got to. Um, and everybody got a goodie bag. I have not opened mine, and it's been a week, and it's been driving me nuts not to see what's in this box. And oh, it's candy. I can see it from the back. It's candy. So it came in the Gucci 100 bag that you saw. Super cute. Now let's do the candy. Oh my, how nice. And it says Gucci. It's a little shoveled up because it's been in that bag for a week. But it says Gucci on just about every piece of candy in a different form. That's so cool. Let me straighten it and then see if you guys can see it from there. But that is so super cute. So if you notice, the bag itself had Gucci in different writing. That is their 100th anniversary style. Here, let me show you. Can you see it? So each one has a different version of Gucci on it. That's super cool. Thank you, Lee. That is super cute. And my girlfriend got a notebook in her bag because she opened hers right away. And I said, no, I'll wait for the video. And super cute. But I think about 2 months ago, I went into Gucci and I showed my essay something that I wanted, and she was like, oh yeah, we can do a pre-order, blah blah blah. So it was great. And then when I got it, they gave me the Gucci 100 collab bag, but also inside is the Balenciaga Hack bag. So I love the little details of Balenciaga on one side, Gucci on the other side. But what I really thought was special was that's the Balenciaga strap, and that one is the Gucci strap. If you can see it here. See how they did two straps so it's completely in half? I thought that was pretty cool that they paid that much attention to detail to it. So there's that. And I'll tell you a funny story as I insert a picture from me, my friend Katie, and my sales girl Lee. She was kind of like looking at men's things and, digging around. And I wanted to take this picture. And I was like, oh, I wonder what's taking her so long. But whatever. So we go to dinner after the event. And she's so thoughtful. She hands me my birthday gift, and I said, "Oh, you didn't have to." So she goes, "No, no, no, but you have to pick it up." The item that I pre-ordered, she had my sales girl on the slide unring me and then ring her up. So she actually bought it for me as my birthday gift. Blown away. I was blown away. It's so thoughtful. I didn't even really know how to react. She's so thoughtful. So here it is inside. It's a Balenciaga bottom and a Gucci top with Balenciaga and Gucci on the ribbon. Isn't that cute? I love how much attention and detail they paid. I love that. I love good packaging. So inside, see, even in the box, can't beat it. The Gucci and Balenciaga. I went for the card holder. Thank you very much, Katie. It's funny because while we were there, I had actually picked a different one. I picked the one that just said Balenciaga in white across it. I think I'll insert a picture here. And when we got there is when I realized that it's actually a lanyard, and I wouldn't wear a lanyard. And I thought about it, oh, I can just have the strap, but I wouldn't use it. So I wanted this one instead. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And because it was Sunday and the launch was not until Monday, I had to go back. And when I went back, oh, I'm sorry. While we were there, they were also showcasing their heat stamp, which is for their leather goods. And the Diana bag came with 2 yellow straps, and I wanted mine heat stamped. So they would just do one for you. So this is just the return of my straps. And unfortunately, they couldn't do the tiger head on my straps. They just said the star only because of the size of it. But isn't that cool? Now that's a flex when Gucci has your name on it. Just like, well, I guess Louis Vuitton is similar, but I love that you can see it from the inside of the bag, because once it's on the strap, you'll be able to see, you know, once the strap falls, you'll be able to see Lisa instead of Gucci. So, or I can just flip it on backwards and rock either way. And when I went to go pick up my item from Katie, I think it was Wednesday. It was Wednesday. I went into Aloha to pick it up, and the more I stood there, the more I wanted something else. So I picked this up for me. I was surprised they still had them, because I've seen that other stores were sold out of this, and I thought, oh, okay. And I just wanted something that had, I don't think the bags were for me. Well, maybe later, but I ended up with the bandeau. And am I going to wear this on my hair? Absolutely not. But I think that she will be super cute on the Diana bag. I'm not the type to put a bandeau on my hair because, one, I wear a lot of oil, and 2, I just don't, that's just not cute on me. Maybe as a scarf, if I wore something, you know, maybe, but definitely not around my hair. I've seen people do it, and I think it's beautiful on them, but it's just not my vibe. And also, there's a care tag that comes on it, and I asked them to remove it because I'm terrible with a seam ripper, and I don't want it to catch and snare like I did. I have what is it? A Christian Dior's mitzvah, and I tore the tag like that and just made a horrible rip in it. So they graciously removed it for me. Beautiful. So let me Give me a second and then I'll just tie it onto the Diana bag and show you what I mean. This is what I was going for. I thought that that would be a good addition to the bag, especially when I don't want to wear those yellow bands all the time, because the yellow is cute, but this is a little bit more dressy, and I thought that was beautiful. So that was my intention in buying this. So I just wanted to thank Katie again for the amazing gift. Thank you, Lee, for inviting me. It was so much fun. Um, that's about it for today. I hope that you guys all have an amazing Sunday. Stay kind, be nice, and do something good for absolutely no reason at all. Aloha.